Welcome back to the channel, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the sun-soaked shores of Limassol, Cyprus. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or a foodie, this vibrant city has something for everyone. Join me as we explore the 7 best things to do in Limassol that will make your trip unforgettable. From stunning beaches to rich cultural experiences, let's uncover the hidden gems and must-see spots of this Mediterranean paradise. Ready to embark on this adventure? Let's go! Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you. Number 7. Relax on Limassol's beaches. For many travelers, a holiday in Limassol is synonymous with the beach. Ladies' Mile Beach, a popular local spot, stretches for 8 kilometers of sandy shoreline on the eastern side of the Aphrodites Peninsula, located 13 kilometers southwest of Limassol. The beach is set against the unique backdrop of a salt lake running parallel to the shore. Kourion Beach, 17 kilometers west of Limassol, lies beneath the impressive ruins of ancient Kourion. It offers a broad expanse of golden beige sand, bordered by cliffs, with the remains of a 6th century basilica nearby, perfect for those who want to mix culture with sunbathing. Avdamo Beach, situated 27 kilometers west of Limassol, is a long, sandy beach ideal for swimming, with a small cafe and a jetty at its eastern end. Further west, 10 kilometers from Avdamo, Limassol Village features a charming beach with a pleasant, sandy stretch. The village itself, perched on a cliff, offers a variety of lovely cafes and boutiques to explore after a day of building sandcastles. Number 6. Delve into the attractions of Limassol Old Town. Limassol's vibrant Old Town district is the most captivating area of the city to explore. At the heart of it all, on the main square, stands Limassol Castle, a 14th century structure built on the remnants of an earlier Byzantine fortification, some of which are still visible inside the castle walls. This historic site is where Richard the Lionheart of England married Berengaria, and later, the Ottomans converted it into a military base. Today, the castle's interior houses the Limassol Medieval Museum, which features an intriguing collection of suits of armor, weaponry, religious icons, and tombstones. The square itself is lined with lively cafes and restaurants, always buzzing with the city's trendy crowd. After immersing yourself in the castle's history, experience the city's modern side at the Lycabettus Art Foundation, also on the main square. This innovative art space, located in a former carob mill, hosts a rotating schedule of exhibitions. Just a short stroll east of the square, you'll find the imposing Limassol Cathedral with its striking Baroque facade. Down a winding alley nearby lies the small Grand Mosque, nestled among palm trees. Number 5. See sunset at Aphrodites Rock. According to local legend, this is the spot where the goddess Aphrodite emerged from the sea, making it one of the island's most enchanting places to visit, especially at sunset. Known in Greek as Petra tou Romiou or Rock of the Greek, the site is also linked to the legendary Byzantine hero Digenis Acritas, who, as the story goes, defended the coast from Arab pirates by hurling rocks at them from the hills above. Here, 2 large rocks jut into the sea, forming one of Cyprus's most photographed coastal scenes. This picturesque setting has inspired many poets and painters, including Botticelli, whose famous painting, The Birth of Venus, was influenced by this very location. Although the beach is more shingle than sand, it's a popular spot for picnicking and a must-see for anyone driving along the coast between Limassol and Paphos. Aphrodites Rock is easily accessible, located on the main coastal highway, 43 kilometers west of Limassol. Number 4. Lassel Marina. The Lassel Marina is a contemporary hotspot that provides berthing for ocean-going yachts, along with various dining and shopping options. It's an ideal location for a leisurely stroll, a meal, and taking in the harbor views. Visit in the evening to witness a stunning sunset and explore the diverse restaurants serving both local and international cuisine. Number 3. Kos Monastery. Perched in the hills to the west of the inland city of Pedalas lies the Kos Monastery, a stunning Byzantine complex established in the late 11th century. Though the original buildings were lost to fire, an extensive renovation project that began in 1831 restored the monastery to its former splendor. The buildings, especially the chapel, are richly decorated in the Greek Orthodox tradition, with murals adorning both the interior and exterior walls. The most treasured item in Cyprus's wealthiest monastery is a portrait of the Virgin Mary, which is believed to have been painted by St. Luke. Number 2. Stroll the alleys of Lofu Village. Charming Lofu is a village of cobblestone alleyways, limestone walls, and red-roofed houses, perfectly capturing the essence of the traditional villages in the Mandaria region. Encircled by orchards and fields of wild fennel, this sleepy village offers the ideal setting for a leisurely stroll, allowing visitors to experience authentic Cypriot life. Elderly women sit on their doorsteps, chatting as they knit, while goats wander through back lanes lined with colorful baskets of geraniums and marigolds. The Church of Panagia Chrysolophytissa, which dominates the western side of the village, is said to have been built on the very spot where local shepherds saw a mysterious light while tending their flock. Upon investigating, they discovered an icon of the Virgin Mary and decided to build the church in her honor. Constructed between 1854 and 1872, the church's interior is adorned with exquisite frescoes depicting the lives of various saints, and it features a particularly beautiful mezzanine floor. Lofu is located 28 kilometers northwest of central Limassol. Since public transport to the Mandaria region is quite limited, renting a car is the best way to get there. Number 1. Delve deep into history at Korakoidia. Korakoidia is one of the world's most significant Neolithic settlements. Located on the main coastal road, it lies 37 kilometers east of Limassol and 34 kilometers west of Larnaca, making it a convenient stop when traveling between the two towns. The ruins, primarily consisting of circular house foundations and tombs surrounded by a defensive wall, date back to approximately 6800–5250 BCE. Archaeological excavations have revealed that each house in the settlement featured a flattened earth floor, raised platforms along the edges for sleeping, a fireplace, and a central pole to support the roof. The houses were closely packed together, connected by narrow passageways across the hillside. The site is divided into 4 main areas. The first area contains notable house foundations, including one larger house with a diameter of up to 9 meters. The second area, farther up the road, includes houses B and C, where numerous burial plots were discovered by archaeologists. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.